Okay, so prior to starting the workshop, I had a fair idea of the actual pieces that I um, wanted to purchase. I just didn't have the confidence to go ahead um, and make that purchase. I was a bit hesitant. I wasn't really sure of my design style and whether those pieces would really fit in with the rest of the furniture that I've got. What I loved most about the workshop was that it was just a really fun and friendly space to learn in. I felt really comfortable asking questions and just interacting with the girls, with everybody. It was, and it was really informative. We learned how to navigate our way around some specific design programs, which were really useful tools to help me visualize what I wanted my space to look and feel like, which, yeah, I wouldn't have known how to do otherwise. So that was really good. So the next step for me is to go ahead and purchase. I'm pretty confident now that I know exactly what I'm looking for. So Caddy passed on a lot of online stores that we can, purchase from. So I'm pretty sure that I'll be able to find what I'm looking for, or I already have. I just haven't gone ahead and purchased them. So I'm really happy that I'm able to confidently go and make those purchases without any hesitation. So that's what I feel is my next step. That I'm happy to. That's what I've taken away from the course. I'm happy to go further and create my space. So I would recommend this workshop to anyone, really. It doesn't matter whether you're just starting out and you've got no idea what your style even is, or whether you know what your design style is and you've got everything, you're just looking for those final little pieces. The workshop, I felt, really benefited all of us, regardless of what sort of stage we were at, and also we sort of helped each other out as well. I think we all learned a lot from each other, and took a lot away from that as well. So, yeah, would just recommend it to anyone.